Here we are back again at Grimsby Town Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. Bang. Time now is 18:10 on Saturday the 2nd of September 2017. This will be for your 1813 2 Tango 51 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central. I know this crossing is known as Wellowgate, but it's right next to Grimsby Town Station. There's the Grimsby Town Station sign, so I'm going to call it Grimsby Town Station level crossing. So there's no point, because I call it Blankney, but some people call it Metheringham level crossing when it's called Blankney. So I'm going to call this Grimsby Town. So if you comment, even if you comment on it saying it's not Grimsby Town, I'll still call it Grimsby Town. I know not to call that one over there Grimsby Town Station number 2, whatever it is, Grimsby Town Station level crossing at Garden Street, because there's no access to the station from there anyway. So this one you get right to the station from it, so I'm just going to call it the Town Station. This is a nice crossing though. I like the way the alarms are really loud though. Here it is. $156,498. $156,498 from Lincoln.